Hey friends, welcome back to your girl and another round of entries. So jump starting things off, we have Andrea, who is crafty mom of 2, and this is how her swaps came in. Oh my gosh, these are so, oh, the pink and the mint, oh, I'm loving it. And then she has these really pretty those Dollar Tree felt hearts, and she added those XOXO little not stickers, but erasers on there, and then pretty little golden flower. And she has this really cute tool in the background, so stinking cute. She does have one personalized for me, so let's go ahead and take a look. I am absolutely loving the hot pink shred. Oh my gosh, I just love it. And her cute little note card. Love this embossed heart that's on top of there, so stinking cute. And she also gifted a king-size Hershey marshmallow heart. What? Yum. All right, and then this is her super adorable. Oh my gosh, look at this. And then we have some confetti hearts in there. Oh my gosh, this is too stinking cute. I love the pastel, absolutely adore it. And then she has the scallop for her base, and then here is her handmade by, super cute. She did some stitching on her tabs there, and she has that KS Craft kissing booth, which actually kind of makes me, now that I see it in person, I'm like, oh, I think I want it now. And she has the really cute little peppermint clay pieces in pastel colors. There's hearts in there and the cute little foam balls. Oh, this is so adorable. Really pretty flower cluster here. She has a banner popped up on foam. She has a cute bow here with the ribbon with the conversation hearts and a button. Oh, I just love this with her base being in the purple stitching on there. Oh, this is just so darling. And then oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. So here are her bows. Look at how cute they are. Oh my goodness. And she stitched on the bows. I don't have patience for that, and I applaud you guys that do, because I absolutely do not. And she has tulle on this one with the hearts in the center. These are too stinking cute. I love them. And then her, let's get to the embellishment in just a second. We are gonna look at her sequin mix, which she did like the candy bag style. She used the acetate and she stitched on there. And then look at this chain. Look, oh, girl, tell them how to show out. And she has a little Haiti bead tassel. She did some wire wrapping, has XOXO on here. This is like, oh my god, I love this so much. Oh, I'm so craft lifting. This whole little chain, girl, okay, I see you. And then her embellishment, she did, oh my gosh, this is just too cute. I love this. I love this. It says, hello, friend. She has the little gumball machine with the shape of the heart. And then she has the love clay pieces. It's popped up on a banner with dimension. She has the balloons there. And then look at this. She took that leather like wrapping that you use for bracelet making, and she added some beads on there. This is absolutely adorable. I cannot stand it. It's just too cute. I love this so much. OMG, guys, make sure you go ahead and check her out and show her the absolute love. Again, this is Andrea, and she is crafty mom of 2. Next up, we have Brenda, and she is live.love craft over on the gram, and this is how her stinking cute swap came in. OMG. Love it. She used that mesh like cording from Dollar Tree and to wrap around her swap, and then she has the little card on here with the swap information, and then her information where you can find her on Instagram and YouTube. Then she has the cute little felt envelope that everyone's been making. She has little charms and beads on them. Like this one has a little bow and pearl. This one has the little mason jar. This one has XOXO. And then this one has the cute little heartbeat. And I was looking to make sure that nothing was personalized, and I don't think it is, but she did make 4, so let's take a look. So this is how her swap looks. I took the one with the XOXO. A lot of you know that I sign off on a lot of my signatures with that, so I felt it was very fitting. And inside, she has gifted some heart bling, and she used that ticket bag topper from KS Craft, made it into a luscious shaker. You guys know how I feel about that. It has XOXO. She did some heart layering with the glitter hearts, and then we just have like black squares and lips and X's and O's, reds, pinks. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much for that extra goodie and for making me one. And look at this gorgeous thing. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. She has the dangle up here that says hugs with the hearts on there. She has the polka dot bow. I'm wondering if that's a sparkling gold bow. Kind of looks like it. And then she did some heart layering with the felt and foam hearts. Look at this part. I think this is my favorite part of her whole entire thing. This little collage cluster here with the hearts and the flowers. And we have the sprigs and leaves. This is just so stinking cute. And then she has a little mailbox in the background with the letter poking out. And then she also added some ribbon and stuff. This was not a requirement, but so I don't want anyone thinking that they forgot or anything. But so pretty cute with that eyelash trim and the pink ribbon. So adorable. And then inside we have her sequin mix, where she put in a little tube here, added a little dangle charms up top, and then a bow. And again, just another luscious mix. She added some diamond dots, some hearts, some clay lips. She has some other clay pieces in there, the blacks, whites, reds, and pinks. Very, very cute. Love it. And then we'll get to that one in a second. We'll do her bows. Look how adorable these are. They're so little. Oh, they're so little. So cute. And then she added the pretty little heart in the center there, using the heart paper as for her bow. So stinking cute. And then for her embellishment, she did a scallop heart in the background with the heart matted piece. Then she has this cute little heart embellishment tucked in the back there, layered up some hearts, and has a conversation one that says sweet. Did paper ruffling with this cute little trim in the background, has a paper flower, and then the lips. This is too pretty. Way to show out, ladies. Amazing. Make sure you guys go ahead and share your love over to Brenda, who is live.lovecraft. Last but certainly not least, we have Gabi, who is mommy and her 4 little ladies. And oh my gosh, when I was taking her stuff out because she had it wrapped in tissue paper, I was mouthing the whole time like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, you ladies. What? I need to take a few pointers from you. Oh, I'm saying like this. Oh, so pretty. Just, oh, I love it. And then she does have one personalized for me, and I cannot wait to see what she made. So this is Gabi's swap, and I just want to show that she added stitching to her bag to close it up. Look at you go, girl. And then she also gifted some of these Ghirardelli caramel duet hearts. Yummy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are probably gonna be gone in an instant. But can we? Y'all know how I feel about this collection. And oh my gosh, I am so, oh my goodness, I'm in awe. Amazing. And she even embossed the base with a heart embossing folder. And again, you can find her on the gram at Mommy and Her 4 Little Ladies. Oh my goodness, this is, y'all know I put zippers like on a lot of my projects, so when I see things like this, it's like, oh my gosh, I love it. So stinking cute. Oh, this is so cute. And then, oh my gosh, so she did a grass green ribbon ruffle, and then she added this really pretty flower trim on top of it and added wink wink, and then she stickled that portion as well. Then she has this really pretty, it looks like the chunky glitter faux leather heart embellishment in the background. And then she did a heart rosette, but get this, So she did some layering of the ephemera and the stickers, but then she added the bow. But look at this little potion bottle she added for her center. Like, really? 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 And it has sequin mix in there, and she has a little dangle with the heart. And then we're gonna get back to the zipper here. She has the little heart ephemera piece poking out of the zipper. She stitched around it, added a chain, and then on the chain she added hearts and XO and a little envelope. She did stitch on her pennant with sequin mix, and then has the tulle in the background with a pom-pom around the edge. Really? Really? Like, oh my god, I love this. I can't. And then inside, we will start with her bows. She has this pretty little velvet bow here with the little heart clay pieces as her center. And then, oh, she made 2 of those. I had one hiding in my other hand. Probably because it's so itty bitty. And then she did the bow like she did on the cover there, but then she added the little, that heart trim that we love to get. She added that in the center. So stinking cute. And then for her sequin mix, she added the little jar here, and she just has a luscious variety of pinks and then the clear iridescence and the hearts. Oh, so stinking cute. And then last but not least, we have her embellishment where she did the little heart balloon. Oh, and it's a shanker. Oh my gosh. And she used like holographic, like looks like some holographic paper for her instead of like just regular acetate. And she has it popped up on foam. She has the cute little thicker piece here of the mailbox and the notes, and then she has one little cabochon hearts, and then added some of the trim to embellish the balloon aspect. So stinking adorable. You ladies definitely showed out. Absolutely loved it. Again, guys, please go show some love over to Gabi, who is mommy and her 4 little ladies, and then hop on over to Brenda, who is Live That Love Craft, and then we also have Andrea, who is Crafty Mom of 2. Thank you so much, ladies, for participating and making me one. Greatly appreciated. Oh, amazing. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.